This is Blake Wilkey's 660 horsepower trophy bug. We're gonna find out how it stacks up on the leaderboard. All right, so Blake, I'm sure most people who have been on the internet know who you are and a bit of your story, but give us a quick rundown. How'd you get started in racing and what are you up to these days?
Grew up in the desert and the river with my family. My mom was a wild one, dad equally as wild. Got a dirt bike, raced dirt bikes, amateur professionally up until I was 20. Started building off-road stuff when I was 15 and just been hooning out ever since.
Fantastic. What kind of series have you actually raced in on four wheels?
We won a few championships in class 11.
Yeah.
We raced this big old girl a handful of times. I'm currently going to be racing the Score International Series in my Polaris Pro R, which I'm really excited about.
Fantastic.
Actually next week. King of the Hammers, Mint 400, won multiple championships in that. I mean, you name it. If there's a track that I can race at, I'm going to do my best to get my ass out there.
I gotta ask, just because we've been running rally cars all day, you've seen some of these little cars running around here, you've seen the track. Have you seen rally before? What do you think about rally cars in general?
This is the first time I've got to see them like rip on a track like this. I mean, I see them all over the internet. They're light, they're nimble, they're all-wheel drive. I'm about 6,000 pounds, so at least 2.5 times probably heavier. Rear wheel drive.
You got another ton on most rally cars, yeah?
Yeah, but she's got big 40-inch tires with a 13.5-inch contact patch. The dirt's loamy. I see a lot of wheel spin. I'll probably be spinning too, but they look fast. We'll see how fast they really are.
We've been talking about rally cars. We've seen Subarus. We've seen different things. This is an entirely different monster. What even is this?
It's a trophy bug, aka Jaws. Biggest bug, I think, built to date. Took about 5-year vision, man, from the start of concept and molding 3 bug bodies to get the plug to the day we drove it. A little over 5 years, actually.
What's the engine? What's the transmission? What's the driveline in this thing?
It's a re-sleeved LS-based Texas Speed 427 with a big Magnuson supercharger on VP 110 fuel. Standard 3-speed turbo 400, reed case, all the good 300M internals by Maximum Off-Road Transmissions with an underdrive. So the rear ring and pinion, we can run a different ratio to add strength. Everything on this is just massive.
Stout.
And made to accommodate, you know, the holes that we're going through at speed like a cloud.
A typical rally, we're seeing, you know, maybe 100 race miles over the course of the weekend. This thing is designed to go what kind of distances?
That would be really nice. 100 miles? Oh, that's a sprint
race. Get it done, yeah. Half a tank of gas.
Yeah, most races are minimum 250 and up to 1,000. You know, sometimes the Baja 1000 is 1,300 miles. And I just raced the Mint 400, my class 11. I was in the car for 8 hours straight. Didn't have to get out once though, so that was a good run.
That's a big day.
That's a good day.
I'm looking at, I don't know how much suspension travel, hydraulic bump stops, limiting straps. Walk me through what's even going on here.
Front is a center mount J-arm setup. The rear is a traditional 4-link that you find on most of these big trophy trucks and off-road vehicle or off-road trucks with a solid rear axle. 4.5-inch King Kong bypass in the rear, 3-inch coilover, 2.25-inch 4-inch stroke bump stop in the rear. It's got 29 inches of rear travel strapped and 24.5 in the front. How much do these rally cars get?
Most of the high-end rally cars have 12 inches of travel.
Well, we're almost triple that, but you know, they got their yin and yangs, I guess.
As far as getting grip on a surface like this, we talked about rally tires. They're really specific. They're really soft, gummy compound, and they're kind of gnarly. Walk me through just your wheel and tire package, just because it's so very different.
This is a 40-inch Gladiator X-Comp XT tire, so X-Terrain. It's made for basically all the terrains. As you can see, you know, it's got a little chunking from just spinning tire on rock. They're pretty soft. This stuff's really loamy, so I did drop the air pressure to try and get that bite. Might add the KMC shoes on this. These wheels are forged bead locks, and I've hit some big shit with them, and I haven't hurt them yet, so I doubt we're gonna even phase those today.
All right, so last question. We spun a Porsche GT3 around here, a couple of rally cars. These roads are built for higher speed, smooth stuff. Do you have any driving tactics you want to share? Attacking this course with this vehicle is going to be so different. I'm just curious what's going through your head.
Don't blow a corner. Try to come in high, dive low. Maybe couple laps, put on a show and blast some berms.
I guess with the higher center of gravity, the only one that actually worries me is coming in hot and then the donut around the barrel.
We got a handbrake for that, but we'll come in, set the bug and then just dance around that thing. I've seen everybody going wide. We're gonna try to stay nice and tight, not go out in that fluffy distance, and hit the jump after that.
Oh yeah, man. Looking forward to it. Have fun out there.
Let's do this.
Good old V8.
Yeah.
It's so fast. What the hell? It wasn't supposed to be that fast. Look at that thing.
was
It's
ridiculous.
600 and some odd horsepower, 660.
I almost rolled it though, but yeah. It's a ton heavier than a rally car.
It's
might
just-
be helping.
Literally. Yeah, you're not wrong. The best part is going to be the jump right over here. The donut's going to be neat, but the first two jumps are going to be.
It's fast, Wyatt. It's fast as hell.
How was our time?
Bro, I don't know. Time was even
We're not. Well, this is just a practice lap.
and we're not gonna
This
tell
is
you the
just a
time
practice,
either.
and we're not going to tell you anyway. What do you think?
I felt good.
Dude.
I almost
There's about two wheels over here. Yeah.
on 2 wheels. I was like, ooh, we're coming in hot, boy. Okay, can we time this one?
You want to? You're done. No more practice.
He does some.
Let's go.
Yeah.
First hot lap. Let's see how he does.
It's a little dark out there too. So
It's
he's gonna be
a
using
lot
those
of dark
lights.
out there. Yeah, absolutely. He had a little moment here in practice. Let's see how he does in the hairpin lap.
He slowed it down that time.
Yeah, now that he knows that he's good. Now the course tightens up a little bit. The big truck might be a little bit of a handful, but he's got it.
He's got it.
Big suspension through here, and then he's got to do the donut. Got it slowed down, got it turned in. Tidy, tight around the inside, heading up to the jump.
What a beast.
Had a worse launch than the first time, but he could probably make it up on the backstretch. His rear brakes are glowing a lot more than they actually should be in that distance.
Dude, he is launching all the way.
Yeah, beast mode. Really good.
They're on fire.
Your rear brakes are glowing a lot more than they should be.
Good.
This side, I mean, it's... Let me check the other side. Hang on.
Oh, those are glowing!
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, they're glowing.
All right, man, so the odds were stacked against you. It's basically pitch black out here now. You only got 2 shots at it. What's going on?
It was awesome, but I want 2 more shots. Fortunately, yes, it is dark. And my rear brake bias seems to be very favored to the rear. I did change it a little bit, but I think the change that I made was way too much. I could have got the front to plan a little bit better, but the rear end did want to rotate when I got on the brakes.
Rotate nicely on the brakes, for sure.
It is loose, it is very loamy. I would probably go down even more on air pressure, but she's a big pig. Body roll, first practice lap, almost rolled it, saved it. Bicycle came in hot, but that's kind of what you do in these things all the time.
Yeah, that's the game. It looked good, looked amazing in the corners, looked amazing over the jumps. You only got a couple laps, but let's watch your fastest lap right now.
Where are we gonna watch it?
We're not really gonna watch it, it's for the video.
Oh.
You gotta leave that in.
Who spelled trophy on this?
Me?
Did you really?
No.
Oh.
I just can't spell.
We're good. All right, so again, pitch black. You're out here running with a couple of lights on the front of the car. You only got a couple shots at it. Where do you think you ended up on the leaderboard?
I would say top 3.
You're in there, I think. You did it in a 1:49.24.
Dude, close. I'm top 3.
You're top 3. You're
Yeah,
right in there.
boy, that big old pig with only rear brake. Can't see shit, I'll take it.
Faster than a Porsche GT3.
Yeah, Porsche, what's up, dog? You ain't got shit.